Hey guys, alright, today we have a really special clutch. This is a step forward into the Hurricane Confusion project. This is a Confusion Black Pastel Spot Nose Yellowbelly Fire, bred to a Hurricane Leopard Clown. I remember from the profits of my first show, I went ahead and bought this dame. Beautiful snake. So let's see what we're gonna make here, guys. Day 57, a lot of dimpling. I decided to cut. Oh, look at that, guys. Wow, that's pretty. I don't even know what it is. It's going to be a tough clutch to identify until they come out of the egg, but absolutely gorgeous, whatever it is. Looks Hurricane Confusion-y. Alright, moving along to the next. That's pretty. That looks like the mother. Looks like a Confusion Spot Nose Black Pastel Yellowbelly. Gorgeous. Looks like a hurricane. Hurricane head clown. Beautiful example. Alright, let's move along to this one, the last one on the row. This one doesn't have as much dimpling. Oof. That's pretty. Definitely has black pastel, that's for sure. It's a big snake. Big baby. Alright. Oh, that's basically the same thing that we just cut. Here's another one. Black pastel spot nose. Gotta see till it's out of the egg, see if it's got hurricane or confusion in it. Alright, one more egg. Alright, one more egg. Whoa. That looks crazy. Look at that, guys. That's definitely hurricane or confusion, or maybe even two. Wow, look at that. That looks dark. That's beautiful. Wow, look at that. Whoa, look at that head. That is sick. Alright guys, stay tuned for the reveal.